그런데 있어야 돼. 자가 제용 힘부 제대 소백의 토안에 공수장군 신부 처리야. 댄슈 덤부 쉬야기 년상 쉬야리야. 자빈 쉬야이. 저는 그러나 버든 자주 소백의 소수세 아니 군수 소미 시험바생 가지고 미 나유 쉬야이.
Core Group for Tibetan Cause is the apex body coordinating all the Tibet support groups all over the country. We have 30 major Tibet support groups. Now, our purpose of visiting today and taking the audience of His Holiness 14th Dalai Lama is that His Holiness 14th Dalai Lama has attained 90 years of age. And this year has also been termed to be celebrated as a year of compassion. So, up till now, we have seen that long life prayers have been offered by the Tibetans and Buddhists. But we as the Indians, non-Buddhists and non-Tibetans, those who are supporting the Tibetan cause, we find that we as the Indians should also offer a Tenshuk, which is long life prayers to His Holiness. So therefore, we have given an appeal to His Holiness, seeking for a date to perform the long life prayers, and that is how we are here today. And we are praying that, because we as Tibet, the Tibet support groups, as a voluntary organizations and non-government organizations, we are, working for the freedom of Tibet. We would like to emancipate from the illegal occupation by the China, forceful occupation by the China on Tibet. And Tibet was never part of China. And also I hail from the Arunachal Pradesh. We used to know as the Indo-Tibet border. There was never an Indo-Sino border also. So therefore, we are very strongly supporting His Holiness case. And we are praying for his long life so that, he should, in his lifetime, should see the freedom of Tibet. Tibet should be freed from the Chinese clutches of the Chinese illegal occupations.
다치당 안도 점브린 개가 망부치게 소소소게 내다 만다데 저와치다 만다데 덴데스도 간의 주지를 소 망부샤게 요래 이나 다 자가 슝기 간다 치로라 잡다 지미를 마되베 땅안도 잡셔서다 자가 슝기 고다데 그들려 말이 선구용에 다 자가 슝기 고군 샤비지도 두점 원부지라 다 자가기 오늘 단행 안주 토래 잡주 카시 님에 있는 게 됐으면 알아서 와시고요. 다는 시 단대게 단당 안주 보통 잡주 소부터 시작해 신부리 다 본주 그토니 자가기 미망을 최투해야 되다 본주균 최투해야 돼. 내가 실수시 당 안주 민본 윤유래 나한테 마음으로 안주 미ring을 최투해야 미두간다 된주 슈단 돌아 단당 안주 보통 잡주 소부터 그런주 된주 코니 다 자가 망조 랑리야 내도 베베네단지 차장 시험했다. 베베네데 디기 토니 자가를 폭장 링베토는 내가 갈 수 있다. 콘struk세르시아디 슈셰쇼도 탐론 삽쇼도 될 섬기요. No.
I Tartarak, President of Arunachal Pradesh Himalayan Suraksha Manch, and a volunteer organization supporting the cause of Tibet and His Holiness. Northeast में largest state, 83,000 square kilometer, very big state, direct connecting to Tibet, not to China. Arunachali, 99% population migrated from Tibet. I belong from Tibet. My original story, kahani, all stories begins at Tibet, not in Arunachal. We are early migrator from Tibet. Though I am non-Buddhist, I support the cause of Tibetans, Tibet people, and His Holiness.